Welcome to GasGPT, the future of AI-assisted learning in the natural gas industry. GasGPT is accessible through GTI Energy's interactive training library.
Hello, I'm GasGPT, a virtual assistant. Just so you are aware, I sometimes use AI to answer your questions.
What is Dresser 90?
The Dresser Style 90 refers to a type of compression fitting used in piping and tubing systems. It is a well-known brand that produces fittings for joining pipes in various industries. The Dresser Style 90 coupling is commonly used for joining plain-end pipes where high-pressure resistance is required. It is designed to create a reliable and leak-resistant connection.
Can you show me a Dresser Style 90?
Here's a link to explore the 3D model of Dresser Style 90. Click on the image below to open the interactive 3D player.
How do you install the Dresser Style 90?
To install the Dresser Style 90 coupling, you can follow these steps. Verify the fitting and pipe size, inspect internal parts and clean the pipe surface. Square the steel pipe ends, file to remove sharp edges, and ream the inside of the pipe. Measure and mark the stab depth for both pipe ends.
What are the manufacturer's product specifications?
Here's the PDF of the product specifications for the Dresser Style 90. Click on the PDF to view it.
Can you show me how to install a Dresser 90?
Here is the GTI Energy training video for the Dresser Style 90. Click on the image below to play the video.
This video will demonstrate the proper process for the mechanical joining of steel pipe with a Dresser Style 90 coupling. When performing this task, always refer to federal and state qualification requirements.
What are the federal regulations for piping and tubing systems?
The ECFR code for piping and tubing systems is 46 CFR Part 56. Please check the reference link for access to the electronic code of federal regulations, which provides continuously updated online versions of the ECFR.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
GasGPT is accessible through GTI Energy's interactive training library. For more information, please contact GTI Energy today.